welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Acacia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this Easter inspired makeup look. This makeup look is totally inspired by my best friend Angie. I'm going to try and pull up the picture. I was inspired by the blue highlighted inner corner, and that's exactly what I did. Although it's not really like Angie's, it's kind of inspired by her. So if you guys are interested in this makeup look, make sure to keep on watching. Hey guys, so first we're taking this creamsicle colored shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just using this as my transition shade. Also, I'm kind of sorry if I sound kind of sick. I kind of am, and this is the whole reason why I'm doing a voiceover. So, lit! Okay, so now I'm taking that shade. I have no idea what the names in this palette are because like the images are reversed on the back, and you know, I'm not that smart, but I'm taking this color to define my crease a bit and just to add more dimension. Yo, I look mad rough. I'm so sorry. I was not in the mood, but Alright, now going to my Morphe 3502 palette, I'm taking that shade just to deepen up my look a little bit more. And I'll make sure to have all the brushes and stuff linked in the description box because I don't have it right now to tell you, but yeah. Oh, and I'm taking this shade too to continue deepening it up, you know, blend, blend, blend. Okay, so now I'm taking the shimmery shade from the same palette and using that to put on my lid. I tried doing this with the brush at first, but then I changed over to my finger because I liked how it applied better, and I didn't have my setting spray to make it more pigmented. So if you do have it on you, I recommend using it. I, however, am stupid and didn't bring it, so yeah. And now I'm just blending that out so it transitions fine. And now I'm taking the Aurora palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using that blue highlighted shade just to highlight my inner corner. I did want to use the purple one, and I kind of tried it, but it wasn't as poppin' as this blue one was. You can use any color in this highlight palette, it doesn't really matter, but... Oh, and now I'm curling my lashes. I'm using the Ardell Wispies, and yeah. And then I'm using my favorite mascara, the L'Oreal Voluminous Fiber Lash Mascara. And yeah, and I'm trying to fix my lash, and I just gave up, so LOL. Now I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match foundation in the color Classic Beige or N7 or something like that, and I'm going to use my Morphe flat tip brush to blend it out. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Warm Honey to highlight under my eyes. This is the same color concealer that I used to clean up my brows. And if you want a brow tutorial, make sure to comment down below and I'll make one. Alright, so now I'm taking my Coty Airspun Translucent Loose Powder to set my face, under eyes, and everywhere else. I mean, like, I don't really go ham on this powder because it does give me flashback. And now I'm using those colors that I don't know the names of under my eye with the e.l.f. blending brush. So now I'm taking my highlight in the color Wisp, and I'm just highlighting. This is like the first time I've barely highlighted my face. I was just not in the mood. I was sick AF. But yeah. And I know in the last video I said I loved blush, but like I said, I was sick and I was just not in the mood. But I'm just taking this Aerin blush palette and using that kind of red shade. I know like I barely put it on, but whatever. Okay, I had to give a tribute to Fergie after like her horrendous Star Spangled Banner, but I'm using this Urban Decay lipstick and I don't know the color. I'll make sure to link the color down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, make sure to comment down below. Bye.
Yo. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet.